then I become your enemy. In John chapter 6 verse number 61, Jesus said, does my preaching offend you? Does my teaching, does it offend you? Yes, you could preach him. He asked, does this offend you? Me preaching, does it offend you? Unnim dia ya wa alabasta no asode afiri fie no abetana. This is not the place ye suro no kure enim ka ye ka boni enim enti wo hwana wo daboni bim na mpese wo bia e ka emaha. You don't want anybody to talk about it. Don't come here. Because over here, Jaya Jamai, Jai Chrono, Jaya Wood here, God will judge you. And no Naya Waha. You can't do. Don't come here. Untimi Maha. I saw for send a bit to my cast, man. Untimi Mesema. Pay him, sorry, because. Not to him. Please. Does this offend you? Are you offended? Does this offend you? Listen. The truth you need to hear. You will be liberated by the truth. People spend so much time on the internet, on TikTok. You can spend 7 hours, 6 hours on TikTok. You cannot even read 10 verses of the Bible. We are breeding weak and frivolous Christians. I was in a wedding the other day. Shep wedding, I'm saying garden wedding. You invite me, baby, Sameba. Poolside party, garden where I will come. When I got there, I met the people I was expecting to meet. They had that young people, young girls and boys. With me was being into the I said, Penny, movie and Niffy and woman free. Michelle boys and dear one my young boys. We could a cigarette, we could a read to two or more papa no can, one more the abba, and these girls are all over them. And they gave me the microphone.